Hey everybody, David from Twoodo here, and I want to talk to you about email integration. Email integration basically means that you can send emails from Twoodo and receive replies directly in your Twoodo conversations. We built this because some team members are slow to adopt a new tool, and they like to stick with their old email habits. That's the case of Frank McLeod here, but I'll show you how we overcome this with email integration. So by simply typing @ followed by Frank's email address, I can invite him to the team. If I don't want to invite him to the team, I can also send him just a one-off email. But here I want to invite him. Now that he's part of the team, we'll see his icon show up here at the top. So every time I send a message to the entire team, he'll be able to see that message in his email inbox, and he'll be able to reply to it directly from his email. I can also assign a message directly to him. Same thing, I just mention his email address and I send the message. He'll get an email. But let's take things a bit further. Let's assign him a task. So I create a task with the hashtag Twoodo and I mention his email address. And I'll show you what Frank gets in his email inbox. He gets a clean and simple email. The only thing that we've added is this little call to action here. So when he's done, he can click on that button. He sees this one-off page and he can add a comment if he wishes. So he can actually take part in the conversation without joining Twoodo. So now let's see what happens if I send him the question action. So I type in my question, I'm going to assign it to him, same thing, @ followed by his email address, and I'm going to use the hashtag question action. And this is what Frank gets. He gets a clean and simple email where we've added a call to action for him to answer the question. When he clicks on that button, he's got an input box to put his answer in. Now let's try sending him an idea with the vote action. So I type in my idea, assign it to Frank, and then use the vote action. And in this example, show you what he gets. He gets 3 options: yes, no, and not sure. When he clicks on one of them, he gets the standalone page and he's able to change his vote or type in a comment. And now the powerful thing about this is that Frank is treated like any other user of Twoodo. Any message, task, action I send out to him, I can keep track of to make sure that they're taken care of. So you know when you send out an email and it sort of goes into a black hole and you never get a reply from anybody? Well, that doesn't happen anymore. Now I can keep track of the task that I sent out, the votes, the questions, and make sure that they get answered. And if Frank finally decides to join Twoodo and signs up with his email address, he'll have access to all of the conversation, the tasks, and the files that we've been sharing. So this has been a brief introduction to email integration. As always, if you have any questions, we love to hear from our customers, so just email us at hello@twoodo.com. Thanks for listening. Bye.